Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion, Owen. You know how the smallest experience will stop you in your tracks? One morning, I went to the laundry room to check on the seeds I planted the day before. Lo and behold, tiny green filaments of lettuce seedlings had already broken through the soil. I stood there in awe, as if, for a fleeting moment, I could sense the perfection in every seed and its ability to produce life without making a mistake. I mean, a lettuce seed never screws up by producing a pumpkin or a radish. Later that day, I read an observation by William Jennings Bryan called Points to Ponder. Bryan served as Secretary of State under President Wilson, though he's best known as the assistant prosecutor in the famous Scopes monkey trial in 1925, The Bible versus Evolution. In this passage, William Jennings Bryan ponders the watermelon seed. I have observed the power of the watermelon seed. It has the power of drawing from the ground and through itself 200,000 times its weight. When you can tell me how it takes this material and out of it colors an outside surface beyond the imitation of art, and then forms inside of it a white rind, and within that again a red heart thickly inlaid with black seeds, each one of which in turn is capable of drawing through itself 200,000 times its weight. When you can explain to me the mystery of a watermelon, you can ask me to explain the mystery of God. Thinking of the lettuce seeds growing under fluorescent lights in my laundry room, there must be an invisible, purposeful force pulling at those seeds. Does that mean the same force is pulling on or through us? It's a point to ponder. I'm Marion, Owen.